This is your ultimate guide to a fast and secure Western Union cash transfer. We'll walk you through the process step by step, plus give you 5 critical points to remember for a smooth transaction. Here is the procedure for sending cash. First, decide if you'll use the Western Union website, their mobile app to send money online, or visit a physical Western Union agent location. For an in-person transfer, you'll need a valid government-issued ID and the recipient's name and location. Fill out the Send Money form, providing the necessary details and the cash amount. Hand over the cash and the transaction fee to the agent. They will process your payment and give you a receipt containing the essential MTCN number, Money Transfer Control Number. If you send money online, the process is similar. You enter the details and pay with a bank account or credit card. In both cases, immediately share the MTCN number with your receiver, but only with them. This number is proof the transfer is complete and allows them to pick up the funds. Now for 5 important points to remember about your Western Union cash transfer. 1. Always check the current Western Union fees and exchange rates before initiating a transfer, as they vary widely by country and method. 2. Use the MTCN number to track your money transfer in real time. 3. Be vigilant about fraud protection. Only send money to people you know and trust. 4. Ensure the recipient's name exactly matches their government ID, or they won't be able to collect the cash. 5. Be aware of the receiving agent location's operating hours and cash availability. Following these money transfer tips ensures your funds reach their destination safely and quickly. That's all there is to sending money globally. Hit the like button and subscribe to Banking Digits for more essential finance tips.